Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install your wheels protector. You basically buy a kit like this, you buy it off eBay, or if you know any supplier, that's where you buy it from. Now I'm going to show you how to install it. When you open the pack, it should come with the wipes and everything to degrease the wheels. So that's your wheel protectors, and then it comes with a few wipes. This is the adhesive. Some comes with a degreaser, which is this one. This is the degreaser. Normally I just use the degreaser, then I use this one on top and straight apply it. So I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. First of all, you open the degreaser. And make sure you wipe the edge of the wheel properly. You guys can see, look how much crap came out of it. Then you use this one, which you can see is wet. That's to make sure it sticks. I normally do that, look, it's gone completely black. Then I go over again with the same wipe to make sure it's proper cleaned. Okay, then you apply it. As you see, one, it goes way over than the wheel. So what we do, then you cut the edge and you get it right. So let's start with this one. As you guys can see, try and make sure it's the right circle. Don't go bent in every way. As you guys can see, this is extra lap, so you have to cut, but make sure you cut it right so you don't go crazy on it. As you guys can see, that's done. This is very easy to apply. You can do it yourself. So that's how you apply the wheel protector. As you can see, this one is black to go with the wheel. It will protect it from curbing, so when you hit the curb, this will actually protect it. It won't damage the wheel. So that's how you apply it. Make sure you get the right kit. Doesn't matter if you pay a bit more, but you get it done properly. So, because if you buy the cheap ones, what you're gonna have the problems of coming off. So this is how it's done. Make sure you wipe it, panel wipe first to get the grease off, then use the other wipe to make sure the strip sticks. So that's pretty much, guys. If you need to apply yourself, you can do it yourself, but if you can't, then ask a professional to do it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video.